his eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. His hair falls perfectly without him trying. He's so wonderful, and I tell him every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment him, he won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that he don't see what I see. But every time I ask him, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. It's 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause boy, you're amazing, just the way you are. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would.
Hi, Mark! Happy birthday! Ang tanda mo na! Libre naman dyan, mabunga nito. Thank you for being a friend. Tapos, thank you kasi lagi mo kami pinapasayo sa Zenith. Tapos, kahit anong mangyari, nandun ka kami. So, ayun, take care and God bless. Bye-bye!
Thank you. Okay na.
Here's na. Happy birthday, Mark! Matanda ka na, magbago ka na.
Marunong nun. Nag-iin ako.
Happy birthday, Mark. Thank you sa lahat. Sila person. Magkabati na tayo eh. Ingat ka palagi. More birthday.
Okay na.
Happy first birthday, Mark. Sana maging masaya ka na. At pag mo na tama na yung pagbababae, bro. Yun lang.
Hi baby, happy 21st birthday. I love you so much. Mahal na mahal kita. I wish you all the best and God bless you always. Sana more birthdays to come na kasama mo pa rin ako sa mundo. And sana huwag ka magbago. Mahal na mahal kita. Makabait ka na baby. Always remember na I'm always here for you. Kahit alam ko wala ka. Lagi mo kong inaasan na yung oras para sa'yo. Sorry, kasi ganito lang ako. I love you. Happy birthday. Sana nagustuhan mo itong video. I love you.